So let's start at routing. There are two ways for navigate pages. One, navigate directly by using material page route. So let's check this. Navigate scan route using navigator page this, like this code. So we will try this. And second one, define named routes and navigate to those routes. These links. Define routes and navigate to second routes. But don't be afraid, we will try both navigation. So let's get started. First, add navigation code to Dora's list title. So, okay, let's copy this. Oops. Open this home page dot and paste this. Okay, there's error shown. So what is this error? The value in a const. This reader must be constant. So this error caused by this const. Reserve this. Okay. So next we need to import this login page in this file. So quick fix. Oops. Yep. Import this login page and save this. So let's check this first. Okay, it's working in login page, navigate successfully. So let's check again this code in document. So you see this is exactly same code, but what we are doing is exactly same in official document. So next one is push named routes. So please copy this link, this code, and under register page, under register text, paste this code and fix indent and save this. And please open main.dat file and check document. Define name routes in main.dat. So please copy this code. So under theme, so please remove this home. Paste this. Okay, so let's import these pages. So let's check this. It shows error. So please restart this. Okay, it's working. So go to register page. Okay, it's working correctly. So let's check official document again. Navigate with named route. In define routes section, you see this is exactly the same code what we did in main.dat file. Okay. And navigate to second screen. Navigate to like this. Navigate app to push named. Navigate app push name. Okay. So this is a finish of this step. And you can also check pros and cons of using push and push name in this issue of Flutter GitHub repository. Committer advice we generally prefer using named routes whenever possible, but many of the advantages of named routes aren't implemented yet. So it really depends. But official committer advise you to using named routes. So that's it. Okay, so this is the finish of this step. This is the final code. So thank you